Looking to upgrade your backyard or patio space this year? Whether it's for relaxing afternoons, summer BBQs, or hosting events, a gazebo can completely transform your outdoor living area. But with so many options on Amazon, how do you know which one's worth the investment? In this video, I'll walk you through the top 5 best gazebos on Amazon in 2025. From pop-up tents for quick shade to hardtop gazebos that can handle all 4 seasons. We'll cover product info, real-world reviews, pros and cons, and my honest take on which one is best for your needs. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. COOS Bay 11 by 11 Pop-Up Instant Gazebo Tent. First on the list is the COOS Bay 11 by 11 Pop-Up Gazebo, a convenient and portable canopy shelter perfect for those who value ease of use. Dimensions 11 by 11 feet, 121 square feet of shade. Includes mesh mosquito netting, beige polyester canopy, lightweight frame, and carrying bag included. This gazebo is designed for instant setup. You can literally pop it up in under 5 minutes, making it ideal for tailgating, picnics, or temporary backyard setups. The vented top helps regulate heat and improves airflow, while the mesh sides offer decent protection from bugs. It's not designed to be left up during storms or heavy wind, but for occasional use it excels. Many users praise how quick and simple it is to put up and take down. Pros: super fast setup, no tools needed, lightweight and portable, mosquito netting included, great for budget-conscious buyers. Cons: not weatherproof, light rain only. Fabric may fade with long sun exposure, not ideal for windy environments. If you're after simplicity and mobility, this is a great budget-friendly option that works perfectly for casual outdoor use. Number 2. LAUSAINT Home Outdoor Patio Gazebo 10 by 13. Next is the LAUSAINT Home 10 by 13 Patio Gazebo, a more premium gazebo that offers both functionality and elegance for year-round use. Dimensions 10 by 13 feet. Double roof design for ventilation. Comes with privacy curtains and mosquito netting. Heavy-duty steel frame. Includes expansion bolts for added stability. This gazebo has a sleek and modern look that adds charm to any patio or garden. The steel frame is powder-coated to resist rust, while the canopy is made from a water-resistant fabric that handles rain well. The double roof is a big plus. It keeps air flowing while helping hot air escape, making it comfortable even on warmer days. The side curtains provide privacy, and you can use them independently or layer with the mosquito netting. Assembly takes a few hours, but the instructions are fairly easy to follow. Once set up, it's a solid structure that can last through multiple seasons. Pros: durable, weather-resistant frame, modern double roof design, curtains plus netting included, very stable with expansion bolts. Cons: not a quick setup, allow 2 to 3 hours, requires at least 2 people to install, slightly higher price tag. A great choice if you want a stylish and functional gazebo that can handle daily use and still look good in your backyard. Number 3. MASTERCANOPY Outdoor Garden Gazebo 10 by 10. For those who want a balance between affordability and stability, check out the MASTERCANOPY 10 by 10 Garden Gazebo. Size 10 by 10 feet. Sturdy steel frame. Netting walls included. Single-tier vented top. Color black. This gazebo offers solid mid-range quality at a lower price point. It's simple, clean, and effective. The frame is surprisingly durable for this price range, and the netting does a good job keeping insects out during evening hangouts. It's not quite as robust as heavy-duty models, but it's more than enough for regular backyard use. The roof vents well, but since it's a single-tier, airflow isn't as great as the LAUSAINT model. Users love the value for money here. Many say it holds up well even after months of use. Pros: great value for price. Simple design fits any patio. Insect netting included. Quick assembly. Cons: single roof design, limited ventilation. Can be noisy in wind. No privacy curtains. Perfect for budget-conscious shoppers looking for a simple, practical gazebo that still holds up over time. Number 4. Outdoor Patio Gazebo 10 by 13 Heavy Duty. At number 4 is another heavy-duty option, great for folks who want extra space and all-season performance. Size 10 by 13 feet. Double roof canopy. Mosquito netting included. Powder-coated steel frame. Water-resistant polyester canopy. This gazebo stands out with its durable frame and generous space. It's large enough for outdoor dining sets or sectionals. The double vent roof prevents heat buildup and improves ventilation. It holds up well in mild rain and wind when anchored properly. Customers say it's well constructed and the mosquito netting is a lifesaver for summer nights. Some even leave it up year-round in moderate climates. Pros: large shade coverage, good structural stability, includes mosquito netting, weather-resistant canopy. Cons: assembly is time-consuming, takes up significant patio space, not suitable for small yards. A fantastic pick if you want a larger gazebo that's both functional and good-looking for long-term backyard use. Number 5. YOLENY 10-foot by 12-foot hardtop gazebo. Last but definitely not least, we have the YOLENY 10 by 12 hardtop gazebo, a top-tier gazebo with a premium aluminum and steel build. Size: 10 by 12 feet. Double galvanized steel hardtop. Rust-proof aluminum frame. Includes curtains and netting. Modern pergola-style design. This gazebo is built to last. The steel hardtop roof is excellent for rain, snow, and sun. The aluminum frame is rust-resistant, and the entire structure is designed to stay in place year-round. The curtains offer privacy while the mosquito netting ensures a pest-free space. Despite the price, customers rave about the durability and aesthetics. It's perfect for hosting events, relaxing in luxury, or even covering a hot tub. Pros: superior build quality. Hardtop handles weather year-round. Rust-proof aluminum frame. Luxury look and feel. Cons: higher cost. Heavier and harder to install. Permanent setup. Not portable. If you want a premium backyard upgrade, this is hands down one of the best investments for outdoor living in 2025. So there you have it, the top 5 best gazebos on Amazon this year. Whether you're looking for a portable canopy or a permanent hardtop shelter, there's a gazebo here for every budget and style. You can find links to each product in the description below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest reviews on outdoor gear and home essentials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.